Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. My producer and editor and also my dog Sophie is right off camera staring at me, making me extremely nervous. He says she does that so I don't screw up, but it just makes me screw up that much more. Okay, let's jump right into this. Today we're going to make one of our favorite treats in Epcot. It is the Werther's Original Caramel Butter Bar. I have notes so I don't mess up. This can be found in the Germany Pavilion at Karamell-Küche. I said it right, Karamell-Küche. But yeah, this is a great place if you're a fan of caramel, because they have caramel apples, obviously these caramel bars. They have, the theme to the whole place is caramel. It's fantastic. We love it. So we're gonna make those today. The Werther's Original Caramel Butter Bars. We had one last time we went to Epcot and it was delicious. So good, it was almost ridiculous. So I'm gonna attempt to make it just like those. So we'll see. But yes, it is Karamell-Küche and Epcot is where you can find these. And I'm so glad I said it right, because I really thought I was gonna mess that up. All right, well, let's get right to it. Okay, well, I forgot to film myself trying one of these bars. I gotta tell you, they were fantastic. Almost as good as the ones that you get in Epcot, almost. But yeah, very good. It wasn't too hard to make, you know. But yeah, those are delicious. You should make those every week if you can, or you know, at least once a month is my plan. So good, delicious. What a treat! Caramel and shortbread, they just blend so well with one another. But yeah, so once again, you can find those at the Karamell-Küche, and that is in the Germany Pavilion at Epcot. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can leave a comment if you'd like. You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos, usually 1 or 2 per week. It's been 1 of late, but sometimes it's 2. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.